In today's video, how to not ruin your progress during the holidays. Before we begin, if you like the video or find it valuable, please hit the like button, comment something you'd like to see in the future, and subscribe for weekly content. Alright, let's hop into it. The holidays are a one-time-of-year occasion that we get to gather as a family and enjoy each other's company in a stress-free environment. So the last thing you need to be worrying about during the holidays is being perfect with your diet. I know that you're after results that last a lifetime, not just a few months or years. So I believe that you can respect the perspective that the holidays are just 5 to 10 days maximum. So let's call it 8. Thanksgiving, Christmas Eve, Christmas, New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, plus 3 days for hangovers, travel, or anything else. Currently, there are 43 days left in 2020. So if you were to not eat for your goals and not work out for those 8 non-consecutive days, but you did for the remaining 35 days left in 2020, you'd be consistent 81% of the time. That'd be amazing. The holidays aren't weeks or months of eating everything and anything in sight and skipping all of your workouts. They're just 8 non-consecutive days. The holidays are not going to ruin your progress, just like a week in the gym isn't going to give you the results that you're looking for, or one salad's not going to get you skinny, and a cheeseburger from McDonald's is not going to make you fat. So after you accept those facts, it'll alleviate some stress, and these following 5 tips can really help you. Tip number 1, should you intermittent fast during the holidays? Basically what that is skipping breakfast and sometimes lunch too, and just waiting till later to eat. So if you've tried this in the past and it works for you, then this can absolutely be an amazing strategy to try to save those calories for the large meal you're going to have during the holidays. But if you're like me and you feel miserable skipping breakfast, brunch, lunch, any meals during the day, and you get so hungry that you'll eat everything in sight until you're lying on the sofa in pain, then intermittent fasting is not a good option for you, and you'll only figure that out after trying it. So if intermittent fasting works for you or you want to try it, go right ahead. But if you're like me, and if you show up to the event starving, you'll eat everything in sight, go with the high protein breakfast, lunch, snack before you show up. That's going to keep you fuller for longer, that's going to take more calories to digest, and it's going to support your muscle building goals. Tip number 2 is plate priority. Load your plate up with protein, vegetables, fruit first, and then fill it up with any other delicious dishes that your family makes that you don't have the opportunity to enjoy year round. Tip number 3 is alcohol. Definitely limit your alcohol if you can. If that's unrealistic for you, then try to have some water in between drinks, and remember that alcohol can lead to you eating 13 extra brownies. You can always be somewhat mindful of your eating and drinking, and this leads us to tip number 4. Something is always better than nothing. Always choose to do something rather than do nothing. Some of the holidays you're not going to be able to work out on those days, but on the other ones, maybe try to get a 30-minute walk in, try to get a half a workout in. Maybe wake up earlier on some of those days and schedule your workout before you have to shower, so it's something you can't skip. Tip number 5 is fitness should fit in your life and improve it as well. You shouldn't have to cram your life into some fitness routine or diet regimen that's not going to be sustainable, enjoyable, or realistic for the long term, right? The takeaway here is you don't have to be perfect. It's only 8 non-consecutive days, and being off track for 8 days is nothing in the long game. So keep that in mind. Keep your fitness goals in mind during the holidays, but also enjoy your time with your family, enjoy the holidays, and focus on being consistent and on track on the other days. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video or found it valuable, please hit the like button, comment something you'd like to see in the future, and subscribe for weekly content. And enjoy the holidays.